Okay, today, guys, we're going to talk about what is our role? What do we do here? What is the hat we wear? A lot of people are usually trying to be helpful out there, and sometimes they can get themselves in a bind, and they don't really necessarily know what what is going to be the right thing to do, but they're always just trying to do their best. And road to hell is paved in good intentions. So you need to know, what are we boxed in for? What is our job? What is our duty? What is our role at the Wofford companies? And what are we signing up for? And what are we not signing up for? And so, to bring that topic to kind of some bullet points here, is we are craftsmen. We push the dirt, we place the dirt, but we don't design how much or where or how high or anything like that. That is somebody else. So we are craftsmen. And if you notice, when you look at all these pictures, they've got the tools doing the work. That's what we do. We're actually the ones that actually take the person's wants, needs, and desires and turn them into what they're looking for. So we're the shapers, we're the polishers, we're the movers. That's what we do. If you look over here, these are engineers. They think, they design, they plan, they prepare. If it doesn't work, it's on them. That's their job. So when we're on a job site, make sure we stick to our lane. Our insurance as a company covers us as craftsmen, not engineers. So when we may suggest an opportunity, but I'm going to say, hey, from a contractor's perspective, this is what I think would benefit you guys if there's a change or an opportunity. But I'm not the engineer. I can't make the call. I don't have a stamp that says engineer of record. I don't have what they call a PE stamp, which is a professional engineer. That's what's on the side of the plans. It's that circle over there. That gives them that authority to do that. We have different licenses based on what we do. So we are contractors. So that's what we do. So you want to make sure when you're discussing with people about opportunities to make it a little better, a little bit more efficient, always speak about it in a contractor's perspective, not engineers. Don't step on their toes. They don't want to step on ours. It means and methods is on us. How we get the job done. If I want to use this tool or that tool and I'm within my budget, means and methods is on me. And legally, they can't tell you how to do it. If you want to use a PC 138 to move all that dirt, and you're within contract, and you're within the agreed upon price, and you're within the agreed upon time, and you get the job done, that's it. But they can't necessarily dictate and say, well, you need this machine, this machine, this machine. I do that. That's for us. Means and method is on us. So making sure that the general contractor has their role, the contractor, which is us, has our role, the engineer has theirs, the geotech has his or theirs as well. That they're all, have their bucket. So in our business, we're going to have people like the tree save erosion control inspector, tree protection arborist. You're going to have the sewer engineer, water engineer, storm engineer. We're going to have technical engineer. You're going to have an overarching civil engineer. Then we're going to have the general contractor, and then we're going to have the owner. So all of us have a role. Let each person take the liability and the responsibility due to them, and let them speak their part. And then we all agree as a team what's going to be the best thing moving forward. And then the general contractor and owner just say, you know what, that's what we want to do. And then we all agree, sign some paperwork, and then move forward. But we do not get into re-engineering stuff, moving this, moving that. If they want to do that, then that constitutes a change order. We document it. We get all the people to check off on it, whether it's the surveying department, engineering department, the city. The owner ultimately has to pay, and us, and then we agree to it that we're actually going to schedule it and do it. So it's got to jump through these hoops. But it's critical that we know our spot and our role. We are craftsmen, and we are not engineers. And so that's why I wanted to bring up these pictures here, that these folks are craftsmen, and that's what we do for a living. We pride ourselves in being craftsmen, doing quality work, good finish work, clean work, proper work, to the detail, to the specifications, and ultimately giving the customer a good looking product that's functional, reliable, and something we feel confident in. So it's always good to know your place, know your box, stay within the box, that stick to your agreement, that sticking to the contract. And if you do what you say you're going to do and you agreed upon it, get paid and go on to the next one. So if you have any questions about this, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out.